sun lit your smile when daylight would break. Omelets and coffee with the plans that we'd made. Early morning walks along the beach in Mazatlan. Sweet memories linger on. Thanks for the days of Chateaubriand in Parisian cafes. Red valentines and rainbow bouquets. Matinees that made us yawn. Afternoons with Monet and Cézanne. Sweet memories linger on. Remember how often we vowed we'd never sing this song, and then how we had to laugh out loud when we caught each other singing it again. Thanks for the night of sparkling champagne and soft candlelight. The summer kindled by love at first sight. Starry moonlit